Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, it is audible? Yeah. Yesterday, we are telling very easy concept, modifying the data through the update statement. Not only that one, if we want to insert a particular cell value, then also we are allowed to use update statement. Okay, where condition you don't have an idea also, I'm telling. Okay, fine. Next one is, I want to suppress this particular cell also. Then we are using a what? Update statement I am telling in a previous class. Again, today I want to delete these rows. Particular rows are all rows from a table means two methods. One is delete command is there. Another one is truncate command. What is the difference between delete and truncate? Popular interview question in every database fundamental programmer. Those things today easily you understand. Before we are going to start that delete statement, now check it out. Concentrate here. What is the entry question? Entry question is very important. Delete, describe difference between delete and truncate. Popular entry question in a testing tools, in a databases, in a front end to back end, fundamental programmer side. So many interview asking. That understandable means compulsory. This update, this delete, this insert, how it will be executed. You have an idea. Then you never mistaken. I think. Because diagrammatically you have an idea means you never mistaken. Otherwise, normally we are typing any commands means confusing. Now that's why first demo classes side I am telling you what in a previous classes one concept committer rollback I am telling you no yes that concept based only easily understandable. Suppose here first before we are going to start these delete statements, observe it here before we are going to start these delete statement. Yes, here this insert update how it is executed I am telling only now. Why? Because delete also same execution is there. How update comma delete statements are executed I'm telling only previous classes. Anybody attending a demo classes, observe it here. Screen observe it, all are attending. Yeah, slowly observe it here. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software or SQL Server software, DB2 software, automatically two parts are created. Already I'm telling in a demo class or not. First observe it here. Oracle Server. Oracle Server means Oracle software. Don't worry. Whenever I'm loading a what this RDBMS software means automatically two parts are created. This bottom part is what? In a hard disk only. In a hard disk only. Here some parts are executed only. Some DML statement is set up here. This is an instant that is called RAM memory area. In a RAM memory area, something is executed. In a hard disk only, some files are there, physical files, this one. Suppose here in a hard disk only .dbf files are there. .dbf files, data files. In these files only your tables are there. What I am telling first initial stage, first initial demo classes side. Today first is a table is there. In a previous classes I am telling test is a table is there. This test table is available in where? In this hard disk only, for example. Now here S number is a column. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the way the table is there in a hard disk. I am telling in a first initial stage. No, anybody attending those classes? Yes. Anybody not attending also? Fastly observe it here. Here buffer is there. Observe it here. These are buffers are there. So now buffer. This is a database buffer cache or buffer something one. What I am telling in a first initial stages, just observe it here. Daily, this server interacting with the what? This tool or not? Through this tool only, daily we are connected to the where this server. Suppose here SQL plus tool is there. Already have an idea this concept. SQL plus tool. Observe it here how update statement is executed. You have an idea means delete statement execution also today you have an idea. Through that one, delete and truncate, you never mistake it. SQL plus tool is there. Here username and password, for example. Suppose here this is a username and password like this only. And now here which user they are giving in a project side, that one, and which password they are giving a project side, that one. Through we are connected to the server. Okay, here I am giving a what Scott, for example, Tiger, okay button. Then first this client tool checks, already I am telling, client tool checks what requested table is available nowhere, in a memory area, not in a where hard disk. It does not check in a hard disk only. Already I am telling, whenever we are executing in a programs also in a C, C++, Java language side, where it will be executed, RAM memory area. Same like whenever we are connect to the where the server and asking a what some table, how you are asking a same table means here I am typing select star from first is a table is there, no, same like a old index, test is a table I am telling. Whenever we are requesting a what this cell star from test, then control goes to where? Yes, in a memory area. In a memory area, in this table only, in this buffer, sorry, in this memory area, buffer, database buffer cache is there. In this buffer only checks requested table, test table is available anywhere in this buffer. But unfortunately, the table requested table test is not available in this buffer. Whenever this is not available in a buffer, then automatically control goes to where? In a body only. Here only test table is available in a hard disk, in a data files. Now, whenever the table is available, then copy of the table. Already I am telling so many times in a demo classes. Then copy of the table transferred from buffer into data files into hard disk into where, OS disk into where, this buffer. Here only table. Okay, test is a table. Here test is a table and data. This table is written into where? Written into where? Your client only, client tool. This is a test is a table, but unfortunately in this test table, yes number here 1 2 3 4 is there. Okay, fine. But what I am telling suddenly, I want to change this 1 into where 5. I am telling in a demo classes or not. Same like today. Yes, here first is a table is there. Now 5 only. Whenever we are changes made in a where 1 into 5, then we are using a what? Which command? Update command. Yesterday update command you know. Yes, here update. How can I? Table name. What is the table name? Test only. Set yes number is equal to 5 new value where yes number is equal to 1 like this. Whenever we are using about this update statement, where this update statement is executed, very good. Everyone telling correct answer. This update also executed in a where? Executed in a where? In a buffer only, not in a hard disk. Why? Because update statement in a yesterday class, today delete statement, those all the DML statements also executed in a where? RAM memory area in a buffer. Now, whenever update statement is executed, new value for the transaction how much? 5. Old value for the transaction how much? 1. This new value for the transaction is stored in a where? 5 is stored in a where? Someplace only in a buffer. Yes, here. And also old value for the transaction is stored in a where? Someplace in a where? Buffer, here only. This new value place is called under a dirty reader. Otherwise new value I am writing. Okay, fine. Old value for the transaction, 1 is stored in a buffer. Yes, that is also called as undo area. But I am giving a what? A new okay, old value I am giving. Okay, fine. Oh, maybe some buffer only. It will be storing some place only. Now, what I am telling in the previous classes, now I am using a what? Go to SQL prompt. Here, now I want to save this 5 into where permanently means commit we are using. Whenever we are using a what commit, what happened? New value for the transaction. This 5 is automatically permanently stored in a where? Stored in a where? Hard disk. I am telling or not? Yes, here. But unfortunately, I don't want to save. I don't want to use a commit. Up to now, commit, you don't have an idea. Now I want to get it back this data 5 into 1 only. I want to get it back this data means which command we are using in a demo classes? Tell me anybody. Yes, very good. Not a flashback. Roll back data side, because in a future data rollback, commit, save point, we are learning TCL command side. up to that one, rollback I'm using. Whenever I'm using a rollback means, what is the meaning of rollback means? Cancel the transaction, undo the transaction from memory. Now same like a control Z in a where the Windows only. And now here yes in a WordPad, these type of application side, control Z we are pressing means automatically undo the transaction or not. Same like here, rollback we are typing in a database systems, where not a flashback, rollback. Data set means rollback. Rollback we are using means undo the transaction from memory. Suppose here this one automatically transfer into where? 5 place. That's why this is rollback. Today, question of here, yes, delete and truncate difference means this rollback through you are understandable. Rollback is nothing but undo the transaction from memory. This one is transfer into where? Transfer into where? 5 place. Here only one only. Here one is automatically transferred. That's why rollback means again this 5 is changed into where? 1. Up to this one we are discussing in our demo classes. Same like today also, yes, here that concept you have an idea through that one. Here observe it here. Yes, first is a table where it is available. Very good. First is a table is available in a where? Hard disk. So now here this is a first is a table is there in a hard disk only, in a yesterday class based only. This is a first is a table, some data is there. Okay, fine. Now whenever we are requesting a water data by using a what? A select statement, what happened? And now here check it out. Here now here this is a what? Scott and Tiger. Now I'm typing. And now here check it out. Here this is connected to the server. Here your first table is there in a where? In a hard disk only. Here only. Here only hard disk only. Your table is there. Now here I'm requesting a table. How can I select star from first like this only? Okay, na? Yeah. So now here, yes, here. Now the table is yes here coming from which one? Where to where? Yes, here select star from requesting table means this one in a buffer. This table is not there. Control goes to where? Hard disk. Hard disk, the table is there. Copy of the table is transferred into where? Buffer. Buffer into where? Yes, here only it will be written or not? Yes, here. Now today not only updating what is that one. Today we are deleting the data. Whenever we are deleting the data, what happens? That delete command also executed in a where? In a buffer. Whenever we are deleting a data, what happened means observe it here. Now check it out. Very, very, very important in a hard disk only. Here, this is a hard disk is there or not? A hard disk like this. Here, memory area is there, RAM memory area. Now deletion also observe it here. Suppose here now presently table is available in a where? In a hard disk. So now here a disk only. Yes, this file is are there. Here this the first is a table is there. Here some data is there. Whenever we are requesting select star from first, then control goes to where? Buffer. Buffer table is not there. Then here only there. Then copy of the table is transferred into where? In this buffer only. In this buffer only copy of the table is transferred. This is the first is a table. Here this data is there. This data written into where? Your application. Now observe it here. Now onwards very important. I try to delete a what? Some data. Delete from table name. Same like a yesterday update only here delete. Whenever we are deleting a data, this delete statement is executed where? In a memory area or hard disk. Very good, in a memory area buffer. Whenever we are delete from table name is here this total data is deleted. This deleted data is stored in a where? Old buffer. Here only it will be storing. Here old buffer only, this deleted data is storing only old area. Okay, old values are stored in a some place in a buffer. Again, this is a new value only. Okay, fine. Now once deleted, I want to get it back this data from the where buffer into where this original table. Possible or not possible? How can I? Just we are using a what? Which one? Rollback or flashback? Very good. Rollback. In a future, rollback is there. Don't worry. Rollback. Whenever we are using a rollback means undo the transaction from memory means this old value is automatically transferred into where? New value place. And now here, yes, here only. And now here, yes, this place into where again original table, the get it back the data. That's why whenever we are using a delete from table name is all rows are deleted, but we can get it back the data by using a rollback possible. Why? Because whenever we are deleting the data also, those deleted rows are deleted from the table, and also those deleted rows are someplace somewhere in a somewhere is stored in a automatically in a buffer. Now I want to get it back from that buffer into where this table means rollback. We are using rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Same like a what? Yes, your update statement only. That's why that much of knowledge you have an idea. Then not a flashback. Flashback means table. This is data. Data means rollback. Data, not a table. Data. That's why data rollback commit save point we are learning in a TCL commands in a feature. This is a data related. Okay, now that's why demo classes are important. In a previous classes we are learning. Now write it, delete, right. It is used to, delete, it is used to delete rows from a table. It is used to delete rows from a table. Syntax. First syntax is delete from table name. Second syntax, two syntaxes are there in a database. Delete from table name where condition. Where condition up to now you don't have a next classes side where condition we are learning. So first statement delete from table name is there no? Yes, what is the purpose of delete from table name? This condition, this syntax means always delete from table name means delete all rows purpose. Delete all rows purpose. Delete all rows purpose. Where condition they are giving me is particular rows only delete. Write it is to delete particular rows. Completed both the syntax, write it, delete from table name, delete all rows. That one. Delete from table name where condition in a next class side we are learning. No, that's why particular rows, delete particular rows. Completed. Very good. Now check it out. Slowly observe here. Now concentrate here. Suppose this a table is there. Now 7 rows are there. I want to delete all rows. I'm interested. Delete from table name first. Whenever we are typing like this, automatically how many rows are deleted? 7 rows are deleted. 7 rows are deleted. Okay, fine. Now the deleted rows are automatically stored in a where? In a old buffer here. This is a table is there, for example. From this table into where old buffer only the data is transferred. Again, this is a new buffer is there. Now I want to get it back this deleted data into where this original table possible. Just we are using a what? Rollback. Whenever we are using a what? Rollback means data get it back. Rollback, not a flashback. Rollback. Yes, this data is transferred into where? New buffer. New buffer into where? In a table. Here really correct. Delete from table name is all rows are deleted, but that is temporarily deleted or not. Select star from what the table is there first. The table data is not there. Very good. Now I want to get it back the data. How can I? Just we are using a what? Rollback is a command. Whenever we are using a what? A rollback command in a feature rollback commit. So many commands are there. Don't worry. Whenever rollback means again we are get it back the data. Select star from here first only. Yes, automatically get it back the data. 7 rows are there or not? Yes, how much beautiful. That's why diagrammatically you have an idea, nothing. Whenever we are deleting a data, we can get it back the data by using a what? A rollback command or not? Yes, here. Now write it example. Example, right? Delete all rows, right? Delete from table name first. These all rows are deleted. This is like the star from first. Now get it back data. Here roll back. Roll back completed. Some data is there. Some fellow was asking, sir, if you are deleting rows, it goes in buffer area, whereas table deletion goes in recycle bin, right, sir? Yes. Table dropping, they are telling a terminology, dropping only, okay? Drop. Table deletion, they are not calling. Table dropping, they are calling. Very good. Yes, that is correct. Recycle bin. Because data rollback commit, you don't have an idea really, but you are understandable. Very good. That's the first initial class onwards diagrammatical. Finished? Yeah. This output also right. Now write it. Where condition not required particular rows later because where condition especially we are learning. What is the purpose we are learning? This one means difference between very important popular inter question. Difference between side heading. Difference between delete, comma, truncate. Difference between delete, comma, truncate. Most powerful popular inter questions. Difference between delete, comma, truncate. Difference between delete and truncate. Anybody asking what is the difference between delete and truncate means don't mistake only. Anybody not telling in a very fresher level interview side, any type of interview also, this small question is a popular interview question. Maybe olden days, 10 years back onwards, same, so many fellows are asking. But anybody not telling that this answer properly means interviewer not interested to select that candidate. Why? Because this is the first fundamental. Lowest level. This is also you don't have an idea means maybe they are thinking differently only. And now here there is a problem. And now check it out. Observe it here. Yes. What is the difference between delete and truncate? Basically data side. Now here. Whenever we are using a delete from table name is the data is deleted. But unfortunately, the data deleted data stored in a some place in a where in a memory area. Now I want to get it back the data by using a what? Roll back. Possible or not? Yes. But truncate we are using means truncate table name is this data is permanently deleted or temporarily deleted. Very good. Permanently. Total rows are permanently deleted. We cannot get it back the data. We are using a rollback or anything also impossible. Yes, truncate is a DDL command. That's why once deleted means committed. That's why we cannot get it back the data. Impossible. That's why truncate is a dangerous mechanism compared to a delete. Particular rows also there in a feature that one. But first delete from table name side, I am telling only. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. Columns are available, only data. Okay, yeah. First write it, a difference between delete, comma, truncate. Write it. Whenever we are using delete from table name or by using truncate table name, then automatically then automatically all rows are deleted from a table. All rows are deleted from a table. Okay, na? Both the cases, all rows are deleted, no? Without where condition. Yes, truncate is a shift plus delete, permanent delete. Yeah. Finished? Yeah. Now, next para. Whenever whenever we are using delete from table name. Delete from table name command is there. Whenever we are using delete from table name, then those deleted records are internally stored in a buffer. We can also get it back. These deleted rows from this buffer into table by using rollback command. By using rollback command. Okay, now here, that is everyone knows. Now check it out, concentrate here. Suppose these 7 rows are there, fast timing. I'm telling about what? Delete from table name. What is the table name? First only, without where condition, normally. Now 7 rows are deleted. The data is temporarily deleted because delete command that one, select star from first. In a table, the data is not there. Okay, but in a buffer only, the data is there. Now I want to get it back the data. Just we are using a what? A roll back like this. Whenever they are using a what? A roll back, then the data is get it back from the buffer into original state table. Now select star from first. How much easy? Yes. The data is get it back possible or not? Yes. But truncate means not like that. Suppose truncate, dangerous mechanism. Danger. Okay. Truncate table name. What is the table name? First like this. Whenever we are creating a what? A truncate table, what happened means here also really, and now here, yes, here. This is a table is there, for example, first is a table. Here, this all the data is deleted. That deleted data stored in a buffer, really. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, here new buffer. But this is a truncate table is a DDL command. After transaction, automatic commit is there in a DDL. Yes, automatic committed there means here, whenever commit means new value for the transaction stored in a where? In a hard disk only. But unfortunately, here new values are not there. These values are not there, and also these values are automatically gone. That's why, yes, here also data is not there. Here also data is not there. Here also data is not there. Just we are using a what? A rollback also. The data is not there. That's why empty data is transferred only. That's why the data is you not get it back. That much of depth is there. But you are a first time newcomer. Yes, that much of thing you don't have an idea also. Oh, truncate table name is all rows are permanently deleted. You have to think like that. Now here, check it out. Select star from what the table is there first. Now I am using a what? Rollback also no use because data is permanently deleted. Yes, here now rollback I'm using also. Yes, data is not get it back. select a star from here first only. The data is not there. Observe here, no rows selected. Rollback I'm using also, no use only. Truncate table means you are a first time newcomer, permanently deleted data. You have to think like that enough. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. Write it another theory fast. Whenever we are using truncate table name, then all rows are permanently deleted from a table. That's why we cannot get it back. That's why we cannot get it back. These deleted rows by using rollback command also. Example, this example, right? Some fellows asking, can we get it back data which was deleted yesterday, which is not recently deleted back, roll back? Yes, possible. Up to last DDL possible. Okay. Those things we are learning in a TCL is a separate chapter is there. In that one, I will tell you up to which one we are deleting, which one we are get it back, up to last commit, up to last DDL. Those things are there. So much. Write it fast. Example, write it. Truncate table first. Table truncated. Testing. Select star from first. No rows selected. Here roll back. Select star from first. Here no rows selected. Okay, na? Okay, na? And now check it out. Next is which one is there? Merge is there. Don't write it merge today. Why? Because merge is a big concept. That is a joins knowledge is required. Join is a chapter is there. After join only, I will tell you is that merge command only. Why? Because merge is a on a DML statement which is used to transfer the data from source table into where target table when table structures are same. That's why big syntax is there. Merge into target table name using source table name on joining condition. When matched, then update statement. When not matched, then insert statement. Something is there. Okay. In that case, alias name knowledge is required. Joins knowledge is required. And the data warehousing some concepts knowledge is required. So and also delete statement also and 10.2 onwards they are introducing. That is also I will tell you. That's why So much of powerful that one. That is today you are not understandable because joins some knowledge you don't have an idea up to now. That's why after joins chapter only we are learning about that major statement, big statement. Okay, yeah. Next, observe here. Yes, DMLs. I am telling okay, fine. But in a previous class, some fellows asking, Murli sir, you are telling about all DDL are automatically committed. You are telling only okay, fine. I'm agree. I'm understandable. Automatically committed. Up to now, commit we are not telling, but roughly automatically committed means saved. Okay, fine. But DMLs are automatically committed or not confusing. He is asking only. Now DML are automatically commit is there or not committing or confusing. Why? Because some others are writing about automatically committed, some others are writing as not committed. So many things. Yes, so many confusing states only. Reality, what is that one means? Observe it here. Really, auto commit is not there in a very DML side. I'm agree. But unfortunately, something is there, slight difference only. What is this one means? Concentrate here. Practically, you are understandable. And now here, check it out. With purge command, can we get it back the data? No, not possible. Okay. Yeah. So now check it out. Particular rows means where condition. Where condition means next select statement is there. That is most powerful. Through that one we are learning. And now here, check it out. Suppose here, this is a what? Table is there. For example, any table is there. No. And now here, observe it here. This is a table is there. For example, select a star from. Okay, so now here, yes. Yes, the table, any table is there. Yes, this is a table is there. Here, particular rows I want to delete means here, fourth record I want to delete means here we are using in a feature delete from table name. Yes, here test only where yes, S number is equal to. So now here, yes, for like this only you are writing some coding only. Now here, yes, here like this only. But here, this where condition up to now we are not telling how we are writing. This is a big concept only. Next, so now select statement through we are learning about this concept. That's why up to now delete and update set where condition I'm not telling only. Okay, yeah. So now here, don't worry that one. Particular rows, don't worry. One by one we are learning. Now check it out. What is my intention before we are going to start that a data query language select statement, very interesting in that one words, where clause, all the things you are only writing. Techniques I will tell you. Before we are going to start, so many fellows having a doubt. DMLs are automatically committed or not. Check it out. Check it out. Practically check it out. Suppose I am dropping a table. In a table is there. Okay, fine. Yes, observe here. Drop table. In a table. Now check it out. I am creating a table. Slowly observe here. Two scenarios I am typing means you are understandable. Create table test. Sorry, T1 is a table, for example. Here S number of 10 like this only I am giving. Okay, fine. And now here check it out. Create table name. Here T1. Here S number is a column, number of 10 like this. Okay, fine. Now I try to insert the data. Insert into what is the table name? T1 values like this. Here 80 I am inserting. Okay, into this table. Now I am not giving any commit. Observe it here. Select. Commit means really permanently stored in a hard disk. Okay. Select star from T1. Okay, fine. Yes, T1, which data is there? 80 is there. 80 is there. Slowly observe it here. 80 is there. Okay, na? 80 is there. Now I try to exit from the database. Observe it here. I try to properly exit. EXIT is a command I am using in a Oracle side. I am properly exit from the database after DML. Okay, so after insert, after update, after delete, anything. Okay, fine. I am not giving a what commit here. Observe here. I am not giving any commit. I am exit from the database. Now here, check it out. Disconnected. Now again, I am opening the what session. I am opening the what session. Again here, username Scott and password is tiger like this, for example, practice purpose. Here I am typing a what? A select a star from here. T1 is a table. Now that 80 is available or not available? Anybody guess it? Available or not available? Anybody? Fast. Available or not available? What is this one? 80 I am storing. I am not giving a commit. That is a DML insert statement, but properly exit. Again, you are opening. Again, I am typing cell star from table name in every database. That is available or not available. So many fellows are telling what available. So many fellows are telling what not available. Some fellows are intelligent fellows are not telling anything. They are waiting for answer. Very good. Now, which one is the correct answer? Tell me, available or not available? Available or not available? Fast, fast. Very good. Who are telling what? Available means correct answer. Available, 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 available. Why? Because in every database system in the worldwide, DMLs are not auto-committed also. In SQL prompt, properly we are exit from the database, then only automatically committed. Auto commit in a way properly exit. Properly exit means automatic committed. Properly exit means exit keyword we are using only. Now here check it out. That's why it is there or not in every database, not only Oracle. DMLs are not auto commit. Really correct. Your answer is okay. Why we are telling what no means maybe now DMLs are not auto commit, but properly exit from the database, then auto commit. Okay, fine. Yes, it is available or not. Now observe it. Now observe it. Yes, so many scenarios are there. Now check it out. I am creating another table. Create table T2. Okay, fine. S number. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Okay, fine. Yes. Again, I try to insert the data 90. For example, insert into T2 is a table. Values here 90 like this. Now observe here. Select star from T2. Here also I'm not interested to use save. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Check it out here. But here I try to close the work session by using a close button here. I am not properly exit. I am not exit from the database. Just maybe close button through. I'm closing the session in a client tool. Otherwise, power is gone. Maybe problems are occurred. Power is gone. In that case, what happened? Observe it here. Suppose here now select star from T2. Here this is a 90. Now here check it out. Here I am close button only. I'm pressing here. Now check it out. Close button only. Through the close button, I am closing the session. Now I am opening the what? Yes, data. Select star from test to which one? T2. Okay, very good. T2. And now I am typing what T2 only. Now check it out. Yeah. Now here select star from what is the table? T2. Now the 90 is available or not available? Anybody? Easy. You are guessing. 90 is available or not available? Very good. Who are telling what and not available is a correct answer. Why? Because whenever power failure, whenever close button through, we are closing the water session here like this. Close button through, we are closing the session. Automatically data is gone. Here no row selected. That's why, yes, maybe in a real time side, maybe here each and every time, maybe any problem is occurred. Maybe anybody also closing the session. Okay, so now we are close button through. That's why they're giving a what commit explicit. In a power failures are occurred, maybe in that case, so now here data is gone. So now here that's why DMLs are not automatic. Properly exit from the okay, so now here yes here properly exit from the database, then only an automatic commit. Okay, na? That's why each and every time in a real time side commit we are using. That's why TCL commands, TCL chapter side we are learning commit when it will be using, where it will be auto commit is there. All the things we are writing about those things only. Okay, na? Yeah, understood? Yes, here. Now finished. Now here, now check it out. Those things in a TCL command side we are learning. Okay, now a big concept that one. Now we are learning a very important concept. Through that one only, we are learning about pair condition, all the things only, most powerful. That is data query language. Data query language or data retrieval language. Here, write it. Most powerful. This is important. Data query language. Data query language or data retrieval language. Through this one onwards, don't miss the classes only. Why? Because here only, how can I write the queries? You are learning data retrieval language. That is, so many fellows are also called as DQL or DRL. This is important. DQL or DRL. Most important verb in a way, a DQL language means, what is that one? Select. 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 What is select means dead easy. Suppose in a databases are there, okay, fine. So many tables are there, not only single table, multiple tables. So many tables are there in a database. And now here in a database, so many table for relational database, this table format only data is there. Now here you are a Java programmer, you are a .NET programmer, you are a data science programmer, you are a SQL programmer. So many programmers are there. Those persons are want to fetch the data from these multiple tables. So now how can I fetch the data means only select keyword through only fetching a data. That's why select statement is used to retrieve data from the database. But first time newcomer from table, they are learning multiple tables or anything with join, so many concepts are there, we are learning. That's why this is a big concept and key concept only. Interviewer asking, so now so many queries are there here. Oh, this type of data is there, how can I retrieve? I don't want this data only I want. Yes, here, yeah, this one, you don't use this operator only use it. So many things are there. We are learning step by step how much powerful you are understandable. Every database who are strong knowledge in a way in a select statement, those persons only selecting in a database related interviews. Normal persons are never selected. Why? Because this is a key concept really. Now here, write it fast. Write it some theory. In all relational databases, fast write it. In all relational databases, if you want to fetch data from table, then we must use select statement. Then we must use select statement. Anybody tell me what is the syntax of the select statement? Anybody tell me? Very good. In an interview, asking about syntax of the select statement. How I am also, you are also telling. How can I select? Don't write it. Star from or table name. We are telling. So many fellows are telling about like this. Anybody telling like this means immediately rejected. Blunder mistake. Not a select star from table name. Just easiness purpose. All are telling about the first time newcomer purpose select star from table name. But unfortunately, that is not a syntax of the correct syntax of the where select statement. So now why? Because observe here, yes, so many things are there. Actually, in a future, group by clauses we are using only. Whenever we are using a group by clauses in a select statement, don't try to use select star. Star we are not allowed to use. What is star also today we are learning. That's why select a number of columns. We are typing what number of columns. Don't write it. From table name, okay. Here where condition is there up to the today. I am not telling where condition. Why? Because today onwards we are learning. Then group space by column is there. Okay, fine. Here having condition, okay, fine. Yes, here. Then order by here column name, either ASC or DSC. This much of powerful. This is original. Oh, how much? So now difference is there. Observe here. Okay, select is first. First is where clause, then only group by, then only having, then only order by, and execution also different here. Distinct clause is there. I will tell you. Now here, yes. This is the way you are writing a what queries actually. That's why this is totally different. Suppose you are experienced person means one of the stage how you are writing a what a queries. Observe here. Oh, maybe something is there. Now here, don't write it. Just observe here. Big queries like this. Now here where clause. Now here like this only. Now group by something is there. You are also writing one of the stage. What is this one? In every database, restrict in the groups. Now here, yes, here having is a clause we are using. Now here, yes, here like this only. Now here, yes, order by. Yes, something. Order means sorting only. Now either ASC or DSC, anything, so many things are there. Yes, this is the way they're writing a what queries. Select from where group by having order by. These all the things we are learning in our course. That is most powerful. How can I one by 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 one by? I will tell you. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. Okay, na? First busy. Okay, but don't miss the class. Whenever anybody missing means, okay, so now they are not following me, so easiness is not there. That's why daily classes anybody attend means easy. Nothing is there. One of the stage you are only telling, oh, Murli sir, this much of easy only, very easy way I'm retrieving the data. That's why. First syntax, write it. Syntax. Two syntaxes I will tell you. First syntax is select star from table name. What is star also they are giving only. Okay, don't worry. Those are all the things next year. This is simple syntax. Second syntax is all the clauses are there. 1 minute only. Wait 1 minute. Now what is the syntax? Select not a star here. Which columns you want to display? Those columns only. From table name. Here where condition is there. We are learning how can I write where condition and all these things. Here group space by column name. Now here column name. Here having condition. Here okay, order by column name. Here optional keywords are brackets are there. Ascending order means ASC, descending order DSC. Those are all the things we are learning. Actually, first is where, then only group by, then only having, then only order by. Anybody reverse order, anybody writing me is your own order, it won't work. With this group by, having, order by, these all the things we are learning. Okay. These two syntax, write it. In every database, same. Here brackets means here optional keywords we are using or not using working. Practically we are learning. Okay now. Finished. Okay. Now okay, we are learning how we are writing what these queries, what is the star, how can I columns, where how can I write this where condition through the operators. I'm telling only which operators are using a what here or here, which conditions. Those techniques I will tell you through that one, all the things we are learning. Very easy. Now you are only writing any database queries also very easy only. Okay, na? Now, but unfortunately, time is over. Okay, so now here maybe tomorrow is not there. Why? Because the festival is there. Okay, Monday I will tell you. Those all the things Monday I will tell you. Monday onwards, don't miss the classes only. Monday will continue. Monday I will tell you. Okay. Monday onwards, don't miss the classes. Okay, na? Tomorrow holiday. Okay. Please take 2 hours class. They are asking me is they are not giving a permission. 6 o'clock another batch is there. Okay, once they are giving a permission combining, then I will tell you. Okay, that is not my hand. Okay, na? Yeah. Whenever they are giving a permission in a 2 classes in combined, then I will take. Okay, yeah. Don't worry. Monday will continue. Remember. 1 hour is not sufficient. So much of syllabus is there. 2 hours compulsory in a future. One hour means syllabus is not completed. 2 hours compulsory. Okay, now Monday I will tell. Monday will continue. Okay, yeah. Another class is there, demo class, no, those things. Yeah.